I've just done a deal to get the car from Johnny Smith from the Late Break Show, the barn find that he found not long ago. You've got to check this out. Today I'm going to go see a man about swapping my rat truck for a car that you ain't going to believe. The story behind this car is mad. It's quite a famous car, been put on YouTube by a very famous person. And yeah, so let's go see what it is. I am currently in my little rat truck on my way to see a vehicle that I may be swapping for. So yeah. Oh, I love my little rat truck, but it's time to move forward. And this other vehicle's got potential in many ways. It's very hard to explain. Yeah, it's quite a famous vehicle. So, but yeah, it's just weird. What I'm doing right now is weird. This is the weirdest swap yet. But you need to bear with me. Right, I'm gonna go and see what happens.
2 hours later.
Okay. As you can see, I'm still in the truck, driving back from seeing the vehicle. We've agreed on a deal. We're going to do a straight swap. Oh, it's not focusing on me, it's focusing on the steering wheel. It's unbelievable. This car, alright, this car has been in a garage for nearly 30 years. It's only done 2,000 miles from the day it was bought. It was bought by an old dude who bought it, drove it for like a couple of months, put it in his garage and died. It's been on the Late Break Show where Johnny Smith found it, done a full video on it, and it was sent off to Volkswagen to be fully serviced, gone over, knew everything that it needed because it was sat for so long. And this bloke won it in a competition, and he said it's not for him, and he really loves my rat truck, and he's going to do a straight swap. This car's got 2,000 miles on it. I don't even like these cars, if I'm honest, but it's a tool. It's a tool. Okay, back at home now. The car needed the battery charging, so instead of swapping today for it, I've took the battery home because it's been sat for a while outside his house since he won it, and the battery's gone flat. So I took the battery off, brought it home. I've now put it on charge. There we go. It's on charge, and then we're going to be heading back over there hopefully tomorrow when the battery's charged, and we're going to be swapping the car. But in the meantime, here's Johnny Smith to tell you all about the car. Check this out, it's mad.
I've come to Surrey to a block of garages where in the end one is a vehicle which sadly was purchased by somebody new who almost as soon as they got the car passed away. So that means it's got hardly any miles on the clock. The attraction for me is the fact that this could be an almost delivery mileage car. But better than that, this is the first time that I've decided to buy a car before opening the garage and seeing it. But I'm going to be giving this car away to one of you. It's a Volkswagen Bora. But the fascination for me with this, and the reason why I agreed to buy it, is because I think this has done 2,000 miles from new, and it's what, 23 years old? As it confirms, 2,272 miles from new. This is the interesting bit. But this is the service book. Intervals for the servicing are just bonkers. So it was sold on the 6th of the 6th, 2002. And it says next service is at 10,000 miles. But the first service was on the 17th of the 6th, 03 at 611 miles. Then 17th of the 6th, 04, 1,077 miles. Then 10th of the 6th, 05, 1,421 miles. Then the 2nd of the 6th, 06, 1,572 miles. Can you see what I mean? Like, it hasn't been used. 1,948 miles, 2,091 miles, 2,148 miles. Blimmin' heck. Right, this is Alex. Alex, you're like a master technician. Is that your title?
That's it, master tech. VW for 10 years.
The cross member's still got the date stamp on it, or the part stamp visible on it.
Yeah.
And the castings on the engine and gearbox are still quite bright.
The bolts as well, still got the factory colouring on there.
Yeah. That's the chassis round, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That really is like new. I mean, look at the radiator there. It's not even had any flies going into it. It's had new brakes. It's had a full service. It's really been gone through here at Group 1 VW dealer. So it's going to have that stamp in the book. So it has got full service history at 2,276 miles. The whole thing is quite spooky because of just how well preserved it is. It still feels like it's running in almost. It does drive so nice.
The next day.
Well, we're here. I've just finished work. We're here to pick up the car the following day. Got the battery on the floor, charged up. Take the car home and see what it's all about, shall we? And figure out what the hell we're going to do with it. Goodbye, old mate. Oh my God, why does it look so good when you're trying to get rid of them? When you're trying to get rid of a car, why does it look so good? Hello, old mate. Goodbye, old mate. Home from work now. Had a message from some bloke from Marketplace wanting to come and pay £4 for the car. So, right, yeah, get home, go to just make sure, go to start the car, make sure it's all good and that, as you do before someone comes to buy a car. The bloke's due to be here in half an hour. The battery's bone. The battery is completely flat. Overnight. I literally charged the battery to go and get the car, drove it back, and now that battery is flat, and there's a bloke meant to be here in half an hour. I've messaged him, obviously driving, not read the message. So that's going to be fun, conversation. The bloke that's just driven down to see the car, and the battery's fucking flat. So I think there's some bits going on with this car that it's not as mint as you reckon it is, Johnny Smith. It's got some fucking issues. Bollocks. So yeah, but look, got a signed thing from Johnny Smith. Woo! That's gonna make me money, isn't it? So yeah, shit.
The next day.
Okay, it's now the following day again. Right, the bloke did turn up. Right, the bloke turned up. I managed to get the battery charged. Well, I had another battery. I managed to put a battery on. We were going over the car. The car was playing up. It was basically, it was weird. It was giving up a fault, then it went into EPC mode or something like that, and then it wouldn't rev even though the engine was running. It was being a nightmare. I had the bonnet open, and then I spotted one of the extra auxiliary wires going to the positive terminal, and the battery was loose, and it's a little 10mm. I reckon somebody had tried to undo the battery, 10mm, but instead they'd undone that. Because I almost did it, that's all I know. And then I spotted it was really loose, and I'm like, oh, fucking hell. So I done it up, and the car behaved. The car started running absolutely fine. The car was all sorted. The bloke wanted this car for his son, and really nice bloke. Seemed really nice and that. And they went on a test drive up and down the road. They thought the car was beautiful. It was all sorted. Everything was happy. We haggled for a little bit. We agreed on a deal. We agreed on a deal at £3,700, which is, sweet. And we shook on it like men. That's what men do. That is a bond. You don't shake on a deal unless you mean something. So all good. He agreed. I'll come back tomorrow and pick the car up. Happy days. All good. Just got home from work now. Bloke should be here soon. No. Get a message. Hi mate. Sorry. We can't get the money together. So I'm sorry about that. So I replied, I don't understand, mate. Why we shook on a deal? Why would you go and see a car unless you've got the money to pay for it? Why would you shake on a deal and haggle if you don't actually have the money? Why would anyone drive to see a car, to buy a car, when they don't have the money to buy it, and shake on a deal? fuck? So yeah, so I've now contacted that classic car company I mentioned earlier. I've forgotten the bloody name of it again. I've emailed them and they're going to come Saturday. But yeah, so now I've got to do that. And I'd even arranged, I know I jumped the gun before I had the money in my bank, I'd even arranged to go and see cars to buy this weekend. Just fucked everything up. Don't go and buy, don't. Calm. Facebook, Marketplace, time wasters. We need to get used to them. But we fucking don't. So, there we go, people.
3 days later.
Okay, it is now the Saturday morning. The blokes from... Oh, I've forgotten it again. I showed you earlier. The blokes from that classic car place are going to be here soon. So I've just put the battery back on. It's been on charge for the last couple of days. That is on. The car seems fine. I've not even started the car. I'm not going to bother starting the car. I'm going to let them take it as it is. It's annoying though. I've got quite a few people messaging me now on Marketplace, but I know this classic car place has got their own equipment to fix any problems with the car. They'll put it on a trailer, take it away. They'll probably sell it for £6,000, but it's gone. I've got the money. It's a definite money. It's a definite take it. No problems coming back to me. It's your problem now. If I sell it to somebody else, it's going to come around. They're going to go, oh, why is that display flickering? Why is the fabric lifting slightly on the doors and that? Because it's been sat for 100 million years, right? So I'd rather just sell it to somebody that's just going to take it, give me my money, get it gone, and then we can shop for a new car. Yes, I've already got an idea what I'm getting for the channel. Proper project, this one. Anyway. But that's what's happening. So, just going to wait for them to turn up, and then I'm not sure I'll be able to film. It'd be weird, but fingers crossed. In a minute, I have the money in my bank, and we'll be shopping for a new car. So yeah. In the meantime, sorry, pick my nose. In the meantime, I'm actually looking for a co-host for the show. If anyone out there, right, thinks that they can be on camera like I am. If anyone out there thinks they can have banter with me, you need banter, right? They're confident in talking to the camera without caring. They've been able to work in cars. They've got a passion for cars like me, right? If anyone out there that can get to me I'm in the Hitchin area, can get to me every Saturday, or not every Saturday, but on Saturdays to film content. I need somebody that can be a cameraman. Use my phone, I don't care, but somebody that can be a cameraman so I can do drive-past shots, all stuff like that. I'm looking for a co-host for the show. So, if you think that's you, send me a video of yourself being a host and talking about your car to ADHD Customs 16@gmail.com. Send me a video to that so I can see what you like on camera, if anyone wants to do it. Okay? Right. Back to the car thing.
20 minutes later.
Well, he's just gone for the test drive, okay? He's proper trying. He's like, oh, there's a dent in that wing, and I can't see a dent. Like, he's properly trying. He's trying all the tricks of the trade right now. He's gone for a test drive, so yeah, he's blatantly going to try and knock me, but I'm not having it. Not having it at all. Yeah, so but I've got other people lined up if you don't want it, mate. Simple as that. But yeah, but he's like, he said these cars have to be pristine for collectors. What collector wants a Bora? Seriously, you're going to chuck it on your website and sell it for £6,000. But yeah, but he's doing the sales the sales pitch. But yeah, anyway. I'm looking forward to the haggle bit. It's going to make me laugh when I say I'm not moving on price.
Later.
Okay, the car sold. My God, he was a professional haggler. He went backwards and forwards so many times, and he walked around the car and said, oh, I've got to sort this out. And I'm like, look, mate, the price is the price, right? Take it or leave it. And in the end, he shook my hand. He didn't look happy at all about the price, but he's a businessman. I'm a businessman. Kind of. There we go. The car's sold. We can go car shopping. Oh yes, we can go car shopping for the new project for the channel. Right, what we're going to get? You have to find out in the next video, won't you? What car I've gone to get. I'm actually waiting for a message back from somebody. Yeah. Ooh, car shopping time! Yeah, baby, let's get back on this thing. Let's get a car in here for winter to build on the channel in the workshop again. Just like I did with the Polo. Right, people. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bullshit. See you next one, peeps.